Well, hey guys, I just unboxed my new Exodus 2 trail camera. Now you can order this camera from the good guys at ExodusOutdoorGears.com, and I will put a link down there in the description if you want to go check them out. Now I'm not going to spend a lot of time going over everything. I know you're here just to find out the quality of this camera, how good the pictures and videos are, but I'm going to give you a few of the highlights that I think are important. We'll look at it, then we're going to go put it in the field. But before I get started, I want to say something about the guys at Exodus. I've been using their camera since 2016. They got the best warranty in the industry. This camera comes with a 5-year warranty. If you got a problem with it, within 5 years, these guys are going to take care of you. It also has a 5-year, what they call theft warranty, or if you accidentally damage it. If you get it stolen in the first 5 years, these guys will pay half the cost to replace it. It don't get much better than that. I've talked to these guys on the phone. If you like to talk, they'll talk to you. If you like to text message, these guys will text message you. They will help you with anything you need to know. So from experience, I'm going to tell you their customer service is second to none. I don't think the big companies out there with the big names are going to help you like these guys will. So I'm going to tell you from experience that they will take care of it, and they stand behind what they sell. They didn't pay me to say that. I'm just telling you that from experience. Now, let's take a look at this thing. What come in the box, of course, is your camera. It come with a strap. They give me a little sticker. And look at this owner's manual. Pretty nice. And what I like about it, being an old guy, it's actually big enough I can see the print, although I got my glasses on. Now this camera, to open it up, you got a clip on each side. Now I'm doing this backwards, so you got a clip here, you got a clip here, and it just drops down. Now this has got there's a little sticker on it. Now this has got a 2-inch viewing screen here. It's a 0.3 second trigger speed, 60 foot detection range, 1.5 second recovery time. It's got 4 camera modes. It's got the image, the video, the time lapse, and it's got what they call the hybrid, which you can set it for video and pictures. It'll take up to a 12 megapixel picture and 1080p 30 frames a second video. Now, this has also got what they call a no-glow, so if you want to use this, as a security camera, it's harder to see. What I'm going to use today in it is I'm going to use Energizer lithium batteries. I'm also going to use a Extreme Pro 64 gig memory card. It come in a box. It's kind of unusual. It's the first one I've ever had come in a box. One thing I like about this is most of your cameras will use a 32 gig card. You can use a 64 gig card in this camera. So if you're like me and you like to use the video mode a lot, it'll just give you some extra time. Now let me show you this right quick. To put the batteries in it, you just push this button right here, and on the bottom your tray comes right out. Takes 8 AA batteries. Like I said, I'm using lithium. Right here on the side is where you put in your memory card. Right here is your on and off and setup, so you can actually put this camera in and you can put it on setup mode and you can actually see what the camera's looking at, and you can also go back and look at your pictures and videos on the screen. Now I'm not going to go to a lot of trouble to show you how to set it up, but in the end, when I give you my final results of this camera, I will tell you if I had any trouble, and I will tell you, what I like about it and what I dislike about it. So, hey, let's go put this camera in the field. Let's get some videos. Let's get some pictures. Let's take a look at them, and I'll be back at the end with my final thoughts. Stay with me. Guys, I've got it mounted to the tree. I'm using the strap, but you can also use the 1/4 inch thread on the bottom or the back if you want to use one of them 1/4 inch external mounts. I've got this camera looking right down the fence. Got a fence line right here. I've got a creek behind me. If you want to use external power on the bottom, you've got a connection. Exodus sells solar panels, or you can get a cable and use your own solar panel, but it does have the connection for the external power supplies. So hey, let's leave this a few days and come back and see what critters came by. Well guys, I'll have to say I'm very impressed with this Exodus Lift 2 or second edition trail camera. What I like is got the double latches, drops down. I told you I would tell you if it was hard to program or not. Well, all you got to do, flip it to setup. Then you can scroll right through your menu. I will say if you can run your cell phone, you shouldn't have any trouble programming this. Also, it's got the viewfinder. If you want to look at your pictures and videos right here on the camera, that's a plus. I like the new 64 gig card. You know, if you're into videos, every bit you can get will help. Of course, if you're into using external power supplies, right here on the bottom, it's got the place you can plug in an external power supply. If you want to use the external mounts, you got your tripod mount on the bottom, you got one on the back. But the main part is, what's the pictures and videos look like? Hey, I thought the pictures were excellent, day and night. The videos, hey, day and night, they was both good. I don't know if you've seen them crows fly over, but hey, you could hear the sound of the crows extremely well. So I was pleased with the sound. So I'm going to tell you guys, if you're thinking about getting a trail camera that's a good solid camera, takes good pictures day and night, best warranty in the industry, and the guys at Exodus will talk to you and they will stand behind what they sell, I'm going to say I'll highly recommend purchasing one of these Exodus Lift 2 trail cameras. Hey, I'm going to put the link down in the description to their website so you can click on that. Hey, if you order one from them, tell them Kevin from Nitro Country sent you. Hey, if this video helped you out, I'd appreciate it if you'd give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel. Till next time, I'll catch you later.